Good afternoon, everyone. It is October 30th here at KIT Iizuka, third period, English 5C. This is class 5 today, and that means that we don't have, well, basically today, 6 and 7, so 3 classes before we have our conversation test. So let me show you over here. Here's my take on this. Our conversation test is 11/20th, November 20th, and that will be your midterm conversation test. Now, one thing that will be different about this semester versus last semester is that you won't be having any more of those Moodle tests for your assessment this semester. We found them a little bit difficult last semester, and I'm trying to figure out why that was a little bit difficult for you, but you don't have any of those. You have only these conversation tests. One conversation test in November, another conversation test in February, because I believe I already put up the information in class 10, because you have a TOEIC test that you have to take. Where is it here? Where is that information? No, where is it? That's strange. Where did I put it? Oh, no, maybe that was class 7 I already put it. Sorry about that. Oh, there it is, yeah. On class 7, I already put up your information for the TOEIC IP info. I received this from the university about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's time to start telling you about it. If you haven't heard the information yet, you can read it all here. Basically, you'll be taking your test in December, and the result of that is given to you in January. By January, you have to give me a copy of your TOEIC test results, and that will be 25%. 25% of your mark, and that's why I decided not to give you anything in terms of a Moodle exam or grammar or vocabulary or reading. You're already doing a lot of that with the reading quizzes and everything else. So in terms of the midterm and the final, all you will have to do is just do the conversation tests. Make sure that you keep that in mind. Okay, now today, class 5, I want to do the Quizlet. Where is it here? The Quizlet materials for the warm-up. Also, your homework answers are already available. Please make sure that you download these and make sure that you understand them. And your homework for this particular week is on the reading on page 23. Okay, that will be due on Sunday. Also too, a few of you sent me an email that said, Mr. Cruz, we can't access the Moodle. So that part, that reflection number 4, the one on mental health, I put that a little bit earlier for you, and that will be part of the calculation for your assessment. If you have any questions about that, please ask me. But yes, I know you weren't able to access the Moodle on Friday last week. Okay. Otherwise, yeah, you always can contact me at jdncruz@gmail.com if you have any questions, or you can talk to me here in class. Let's have a good class today, everyone.